Clouding has become popular in very short period of time due to its services, speed, and most importantly, the application area. Cloud computing has a wide set of application and is operational in nearly every field, like entertainment. Netflix, Amazon Video, YouTube are all cloud-based services that we use. Social connectivity. All the social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. are running over the cloud infrastructure. Education. Nowadays online classes and remote learning is on the top, and distant learning online courses creates up online cloud-based education environment. Medical. Cloud platform has provided a way for the medical staff as well as the patients for sharing a number of services online, like sharing digital reports with the patients, consultation with doctors on the web platforms, etc. Data storage and backup. A very common use of cloud where we are storing and sharing our data on cloud platforms, like Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Cloud computing is also applicable in various other or say on nearly every field of the industry. In businesses. For sharing workload, and distant team management and integrating their work together. Big data is a problem associated with every big organization to handle the vast amount of customers' data and finding out the profitable insights from them. Creating AI and ML models require a fast processing devices and resources which are fulfilled by cloud computing. In return, technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are helping cloud vendors to create an automated and interactive systems for better development of cloud. E-commerce platforms are using cloud for customer interaction and dealing. Also, disaster recovery plans are best suited with cloud, which provide business continuity and recovery of data in case of data loss. Now it's your turn to think about more of the cloud application areas. This module on the basics of cloud computing ends here. In the next module, we will see the cloud computing architecture and what creates up a cloud platform. If you faced any issue during the module or found any mistake, please do not hesitate to mail us. The mail ID is shown at your screen. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for instant notification of the second module. See you there.